Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix Instagram DM field to send. So in order to fix this kind of issue, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. So whenever you're actually trying to send a message to a following users or any of the contact on your Instagram and you're unable to do it, so or you can see the notification stating that failed to send issue. Now what you have to do is, in that case, you have to first of all check for an update. So for that, head over to your Play Store. Now if you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be one of the issues. So for that, go ahead and open up your Instagram on the Play Store and check whether you need to update your application or not. If the application is completely up to date, then apart from it, what else you can do is that you can just go ahead and long press on it and tap the I button. It's going to take you to app info page. Right on this page, go to storage and cache, and here make sure to click on clear cache as well as clear storage. When you click on clear storage, it's going to lock you out of your Instagram account. Once again, re-log in into your account by entering your credential. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if the issue still persists on, then it might be your internet connections. Sometimes if you're not connected to a stable internet connection, might cause you this kind of issue. So in this way, you can fix your DM field to send issue on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.